Are you looking for a laptop for AutoCAD? In this video, I will show you the 5 best laptop for AutoCAD based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Dell G5 5590. 15-inch gaming laptop with a 24mm design and 9th Gen Intel Core processor, powerful NVIDIA graphics and memory, plus a narrow bezel display. Kick performance into high gear engineered with up to 9th Gen Intel Core i7 processors. The G5 15 possesses powerful performance for uninterrupted gameplay. Keep your cool and innovative dual-fan cooling system with an advanced thermal design ensures that your system stays cool as the action heats up. No shortage of storage, experience faster load times, and a quieter system thanks to multiple storage options including dual drives with SSD options, plus M.2 NVMe PCIe. Battle-ready, stay in the fight with an improved and stable Wi-Fi connection due to optional 2x2 Wi-Fi antennas. The 4th product on the list is the Apple MacBook Pro 16. Designed for those who defy limits and change the world, the 16-inch MacBook Pro is by far the most powerful notebook we have ever made. With an immersive Retina display, super-fast processors, advanced graphics, the largest battery capacity ever in a MacBook Pro, Magic Keyboard, and massive storage, it's the ultimate pro notebook for the ultimate user. MacBook Pro features a stunning 16-inch Retina display, the largest Retina display ever in a Mac notebook. It produces 500 nits of brightness for spectacular highlights and bright whites, while delivering deep blacks thanks to the precise photo alignment of liquid crystal molecules. The Intel Core i9 processor with up to 8 cores and 16 threads of processing power sustains higher performance for longer periods of time and delivers up to 2.1 times the performance of a quad-core MacBook Pro. So whether you're layering dozens of tracks and effects, rendering 3D models, or compiling and testing code, you'll be doing it in no time flat. The 3rd product on the list is the Lenovo ThinkPad P53. With a processor choice of up to 9th Gen Intel Xeon or 9th Gen Intel Core i7 with 6 cores, the ThinkPad P53 delivers pure power. With the option of the NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 GPU, it's more than capable of rendering VR and handling data-intensive AI projects. Up to 512 gigabytes of storage means you'll never need to worry about system lag time or running out of space. Additionally, the ThinkPad P53 includes ISV certification from all the major vendors like 3ds Max, AutoCAD, CATIA, Decision Space, Petrol, and Vectorworks. The 2nd product on the list is the MSI WS65 Lightweight Workstation. Work wherever, whenever, and faster than you ever imagined. RTX Studio laptops are crafted with precision to deliver dramatic improvements in productivity and performance. Made for creatives who need power and flexibility. Latest 9th Intel Core i7 processor powers up with 10% performance gains over the previous generation. The 4K, 72% NTSC color gamut IPS panel offers exceptional color fidelity and a high contrast rate, providing an accurate and vivid window that best depicts your creation. Maximize vision and minimize distractions with a thin bezel, providing an incredible screen-to-body ratio for a compact chassis. The 1st product on the list is the Lenovo ThinkPad P73. Quickly log in with ease with just the view of your face with the IR camera via Windows Hello. What's more, the IR camera also includes Mirametrix glance technology, which merges face dash, eye dash, and gaze tracking, so the cursor automatically focuses, and application windows shift just by moving your eyes. The ThinkPad P73 mobile workstation offers strong connectivity and long battery life. It's certified for Wi-Fi 6, the fastest Wi-Fi ever, with data transfer speeds up to 9.6 gigabits per second. Wi-Fi 6 can handle more capacity and is built for crowded environments. Enjoy the rich, full audio of this workstation's 2-watt stereo speakers to immerse you in sound. The ThinkPad P73 mobile workstation offers strong connectivity and long battery life. It's certified for Wi-Fi 6, the fastest Wi-Fi ever, with data transfer speeds up to 9.6 gigabits per second. Wi-Fi 6 can handle more capacity and is built for crowded environments. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.